Currently, the temperature is 66 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, rain showers early, becoming steady overnight. Low, 51. Chance of rain, 70%. Rainfall around 1/4 inch. For Monday, periods of rain. High, 50. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain, 90. The week ahead.